Hey y'all, hey. Good morning, everybody's. Good morning, everyone's. It is your host, Queen Blah. What the heck just happened? And Queen Blama said it. And we are back, y'all, for another YouTube live reaction. How is everybody's doing, y'all? Happy Thursday. What is today? Oh, May the 2nd, child. I gotta change my calendar. Warning, warning, warning. I am getting ready to turn on subscribers only. You have 1 minute to hit the subscribe button, sis. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you will not be able to cooperate in the chat, okay? Warning, warning. Y'all see what time it is. It's 13 on the hour. I am turning on subscribers only right now, okay?
Why am I losing rhythm or something? From the top, making the chop. Good to go for a walk? Okay. Hula hoop. I want you to try that dress on, Mom.
I'm talking to y'all and it's on mute. She too scared to take them kids outside. That's Stella's job. No, she don't want to get beat up. The maid is about to walk the kids. Right. That's Stella's job. And understand, walking the kids would burn calories. That's exercise. She could have took them on a walk instead of putting the baby. I don't know where the heck she got baby food stamps. Baby no daddy sitting over here somewhere. She keep looking at her and smiling, and AJ just probably in there locked in the room with Stella. Medical department definitely stank. Definitely, definitely. Remember, Stella said, "Oh, it's hot in here. Can we turn off the air?" She meant it's foul in here. Yeah. Stella said, "It's a little musty in here." All right, y'all. Members only is on. I mean, subscribers only is turned on.
Not this from TikTok. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Also, let's get the likes up. These likes. Come on, hit the like button, y'all.
Y'all heard Peppa.
Please.
Hit the like button, y'all. Let's get these likes up. These likes, let me look and see how many likes we got, y'all. Let's get the likes up, okay?
This black thing I'm wearing, TikTok shop, y'all.
Everything from the TikTok shop. But her kids don't have shoes
I'm new
according to
here.
her.
Hi, babe. Hit the like button and subscribe.
Y'all do understand that, right? She said Gerard had Christian stealing shoes from Walmart and Ryan shoes just didn't fit, but she's buying everything off the TikTok shop. They did not send her this stuff for free. If they did, she would be on TikTok with the yellow shopping cart at the bottom of her live.
Currently sick.
Currently has kennel call. Meanwhile, AJ rotates the same 3 outfits. I'm done. I'm done with y'all now. Yeah, man.
AJ
That
got
is,
apple juice
oh my God.
in my treadmill.
This is out of pocket.
Poured apple juice right in the treadmill. So I can't use my treadmill right now. I have to get it replaced.
She broke the treadmill. What she
Right,
got?
apple juice. AJ got apple juice in my treadmill. Yes. Poured apple juice right in the treadmill.
AJ didn't pour no damn apple juice in that treadmill, sis. We already heard Thomas the Train breaking. The treadmill was saying, I think I can, the first week you were on it. Oh, did y'all hear this? She blamed it on AJ. Oh my. Wow.
So I can't use my treadmill right now. I have to get it replaced.
The lie.
But this, ladies, is really good cardio. You burn a bunch of calories doing this. Don't ask me how.
Don't ask me
I don't know how it works. Maybe it's just because you're moving your body the same way, I guess, as walking or running or something. But this is definitely a workout. Don't think that it's not. It looks easier than it is. I heard it's really good for your hips too, or like your waist. I don't know. I haven't been doing it that long.
Y'all. Oh my goodness.
Woo, bitch.
At a certain point, the noise really can like put you to sleep. Like I just kind of zoned out over here and started strolling through my dang on, looking through the comments, and it just zoned out real quick with the whole shh, 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 shh. Girl, turn it back on, Peppa. It's kind of like a white noise at this point. I'll go to sleep eventually.
So all this sweat and thing.
You too? We was all just over here falling into a trance. It's funny because Jasmine was doing it too. Now that I'm thinking about it, remember when Jasmine was working out with that thing on? I kept going into a little trance. Also, it's the noise just continuously. It just hypnotizes you like, girl, you're getting sleepy. Bitch, it's time for wake and bake. Excuse me. Did you roll up for me? I've been over here patiently waiting for you to roll up, expert roller. Did you get it done for me? Because it's about time. I'm going to get me another bottle of water and I'm about to bake some crackers, okay?
Y'all are so immature.
Time to eat me some cookies.
It's like you've never seen boobs before. It's crazy. Are you guys like 15 or what?
They probably are. Fuck.
You're gorgeous. I'm a model.
Girl. You the one changed the format for all the creepies to come in purposely. You didn't do this on an accident. You seen all the creeps come in when you had on your goddamn wetsuit looking like Mr. Penguin. And you said, oh, I like this. I like this attention. They was super chatting her and everything. She liked the attention. So now she's continuously doing it and calling people creeps. You're the creep. You the creep over there, Miss Ryan Garcia.
No, maybe one day. Thank you.
Okay, you're on it. All right. All right. That's all I got of English. Not you smoke the first one. Yeah, Ryan Garcia is a complete freaking nut, yo. It's a dang on video going on Instagram right now of him high as a damn kite. High as a kite. And Olivia likes it. He said she. I'm not gonna say that because I don't want you to be tripping with me, but I will highlight it. Yeah. And y'all see how YouTube got me behaving myself and watching my mouth? Ain't that something? Girl, it took for them motherfuckers to threaten my coin a couple times. Oh, see, I didn't curse again. My bad, YouTube. My bad. I'm a work in progress, okay? I'm trying. I'm trying. I've been saying I was going to stop cursing so much because I don't like them turning my videos yellow. But now they removing, posting everything. They are sick of me. And I didn't even do nothing. I just be chilling. So I guess it's time for me to clean my act up a little bit, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Y'all know how I like to start a new channel to talk my shit, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it, YouTube, okay? Leave me be. Dang. People be doing way worse and saying way worse than I do. And they just out here. Hint, hint, Peach McIntyre, okay? Peach McIntyre says and does way worse than Queen Blamar said it. And she's still here. Leave my channel alone, okay? Dang.
You don't know how bad I want to hear some Megan right now.
Listen to it. They should have asked her why she can't hear Megan right now. Why, oh why can you not listen to Megan Thee Stallion right now, Olivia? YouTube ain't gonna automatically block your video. They're not gonna remove it. You just don't get a dime for it. Oh, okay. You want to listen to Megan right now? That dog needs some freaking. I don't know what that dog needs. That dog needs some dang on some tea at this point. Jeez. The dog needs throat therapy tea because she been barking for over an hour. And she talking about Megan Thee Stallion. Megan Thee Stallion actually has a hot girl workout. Why are you not doing that, Olivia? And it really works. Like, child, the booty cheeks gonna be lifted. It burn a lot of calories. Twerking. Why are you not doing that, Peppa, the hot girl workout? You want to listen to Megan Thee Stallion and do your hula hoop. Girl, and you done broke your treadmill. Blaming it on AJ. We don't believe you. AJ doesn't even get apple juice. Well, if you would have said AJ poured watered down milk in the treadmill or water, we would have believed it. But apple juice, absolutely not. Absolutely not. She's switching personalities right before her eyes.
My legs are on fire.
Yes, she said AJ broke the walking pad, but we know it was her. Y'all hit that likety like button on the way out. I will talk to y'all in our next reaction video. Bye, y'all.